Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to More, Home Screen Mode and select Standard Mode. Now app drawer is disabled. Let's enable it again, so tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to More, enter Home Screen Mode and select Drawer Mode. Apply, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.